ohmathgad.
Oh math cat guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be tackling how to complete a two-way frequency table. So let's begin. So guys, the first thing we have to remember about completing a two-way frequency table is taking into account the following. In a two-way frequency table, you guys have to remember that the sum of the total of the rows and the sum of the total of the columns must be the same number, right? So if you have a two-way frequency table, right, and you have the total and that other total here, you know that this space right here is going to be the sum of these two, but it also has to be the sum of these two. So the total that we're going to put on that black space there is going to be actually the sum of both the rows and also the columns. So you have to remember that. Okay guys, so we are going to take a look at the following problem. A company surveyed 200 people and asked which car model they preferred. Complete the two-way frequency table to show the results of the survey. Okay guys, so this should be pretty easy. Okay, the first thing we have to see is that the grand total is of 200. So there is a total of 200 people who were surveyed, as we know from this statement. So the grand total is 200. And we know that 200 is actually going to be the sum of 75 plus this value that we will call A. So it's going to be equal to 75 plus A, right? So A is going to be equal to 200 minus 75, right? And that is going to give us an answer of 125 people. So that means that there is a total of 125 people who prefer the two-door car model, right? Apart from that, we also know that the total of 200 is also the sum of the total of male and female. So that means that 200 is going to be equal to 120 plus the value of the total of female or women who were surveyed. So that means that 200 minus 120 is going to be F, which is the total of women. And that means that 80 women were surveyed, right? So now we are also going to see the following. We know that the total amount of people who preferred the four-door car model was of 75, right? And we know that 36 women liked it. So how many men liked the four-door model? Well, we know that 75 equal to the amount we will call B plus 36, right? So the amount of men who liked it was actually 75 minus 36, and that is going to give us an answer of 39. And we can actually compare that because if we add 81 plus 39, that is going to give us 120. So you can also do it that way. Now, the amount or the total of female that were surveyed is of 80. And we know that 36, sorry, like the four-door car model. So that means that the amount that like the two-door car model, which we will call T, plus 36 is equal to 80, right? So T is equal to 80 minus 36. And that gives us that the amount of women that like the two-door car model is actually 44. And we know that 44 plus 81 is actually 125. So it matches everything properly. So guys, that is pretty much it for today. Make sure you leave a like down below if you found this video useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!